Hello dear students, we have finished the chapter real numbers. Today we'll do a crash revision by solving MCQ questions or exemplar problems of NCERT book. Choose the correct answer from following four options. For some integer m, every even integer is in form of, the options are m, m plus 1, twice m plus 1. Which will be the answer? Even integer means it will be multiple of m. So it will be 2m is the answer. C is the answer. Similarly, second question is for some integer q. Every odd integer is in form of q, q plus 1, twice q plus 1. Q you cannot say whether it is odd or even. So q plus 1. Twice q is always a even. So 2q plus 1 is the answer. D is the answer. 2q plus 1. 2m plus 1. All are odd numbers, odd integers. Third is n square minus 1 divisible by 8 if n is an integer, a natural number, an odd integer, and one even integer. N square minus 1 is multiple of 8. If it is an integer, suppose I'll take here 2. 2 square minus 1, it is not divisible. A natural number, so it is not divisible. So it will be an integer. How? If I take n is equal to 1, then it will be 1 square minus 1. That will be 0. 0 is equal to 8 into 0. So it is divisible. If I take n is equal to 2, sorry, n is equal to 3 because I'm taking odd integer. So 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1, it will be 8 into 1. It cannot be for even integer. So C is answer. If I take an even integer, so 2 square minus 1 is your 3. It is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 8. So odd integer. Whenever n is odd, it's is divisible by 8. Let us take n is equal to, when 5, it will be 5 square minus 1, 25. 25 minus 1, 24. 24 is equal to 8 into 3. So next is, if the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65m minus 117, then find the value of m is 4213. So let us find the HCF of 65 and 117. I hope you know the multiplication table well. 65 is divisible by 13. 13 table has 65. 13 5 times. 39 times is 117. So this is your HCF. HCF is equal to your 13. Now you have to write 65m minus 65m minus 17. 117 is equal to HCF. So is equal to 13. You have to find the value of m. I hope you can find the m now. So 65m is equal to your 13 plus 117. That will be 130. So this gives us m is equal to 130 divided by 65. What is the answer? 2 is the answer. So where is 2? B is answer. B is answer. So while you write answer, you will write the answer also. 5. The largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving the remainder 5 and 8 respectively. The number is 13, number is 65, number is 875, number is 1750. So when we divide by 70, it is leaving remainder 5. That means 65 is divisible by that number. Similarly, when I am dividing by 125, it gives remainder 8. That means it is here divisible by 130. So now I'll find a number, largest number, which is divisible by both. So that is nothing but HCF of these two. So 65 and 113, we have just now got the HCF. 65 is equal to 13 into 5, and 113, 17, it is not 13, it will be 17, very sorry. So 117, let me rub and write. Is equal to 13 into 9. So 13 is your common factor. So 13 is answer. Where is answer? Answer is A. Question number 6. If two positive integers A and B are written as A is equal to x cube y square and B is equal to xy cube, the x and y are prime numbers, then HCF of AB is, options are xy, xy square, x cube y cube, and x square y square. So A is a number, positive integers, it is x cube and y square. That means it has the factor x, how many times? 3 times. Y, how many times? 2 times. Now come to B. B is xy cube. So x is once and y how many times? 3 times. Now see what is common. Common is 1x is common. How many y's are common? 2 y's are common. So what will the HCF? HCF is equal to 1x. How many y? 2 y's, y into y. So what is the answer? X y square. So when it will be in algebraic form, so HCF is your minimum power, of both the factors, minimum power. That means A was x cube y square and B has xy cube. So first Cx minimum power is 1. So HCF is your x power 1. If we take compare this x and x, the HCF will be minimum power x1. Next you compare y square and y cube. What is minimum? Minimum is 2. So y square. So HCF is xy square. What is the answer? B is answer. So B is answer. Similarly, if the question would be LCM, then we will write maximum willpower is the answer. Question number 7. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed at p is equal to ab square, q is equal to a cube b, a and b are prime numbers, then LCM of p and q. Options are a b a square, b square, a cube b square, a cube b cube. P is equal to a b square. That means a once and b will multiply 2 times. Q is equal to a multiplies a multiplies a multiplies b. So what is LCM? LCM means you have to write, first you'll write the common thing. What is common? Common is A. Then your common is B. Then you write down what is left. Here B is left, here 2 A's are left. So the answer will be A Q B square. Or if you will apply this short method, P is a B square, Q is a cube B, then LCM you take the maximum power of A and B. What is the maximum power of A? It will be 3. And what will be maximum power of B? B is 2. So B square, LCM is a cube B square. So a cube B square is C. C is the answer. So for HCF we are taking minimum power. For LCM we are taking maximum power. Question number 8. The product of a non-zero rational and an irrational number is always irrational, always rational, rational or irrational, whatever it may be, or it will be always 1. So the answer is, suppose I'll take your rational number 2 and irrational number I'll multiply root 3. So how much it will be answer? Twice root 3. Is it rational or irrational? It will be always irrational. But if it will be 0, then we will get rational. So A is the answer. Next, the least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10, both inclusive. That means 1 will be taken, 10 will be also taken. It will be 10, it will be 100, it will be 504, it will be 2520. That means your least number, that means you are find the LCM of your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll find the LCM of all this. Can you find it? Yes, you can find it. 1, 2, 3, the LCM is 6. 6 and 4, LCM is 12. 12 into 5, LCM is 60. 66 LCM is still 60. 60 into 7, 420. 420 into 8, 840. 840 into 9. So it will be, this will be the answer. 10 is already there. So the LCM will be 2520. 10. The decimal expansion of the rational number 14587 will terminate after 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places. You have learned this question. So what you will do, you will factorize 1250. If you will factorize 1250 to 625, then 5, 125, 5, 25, 5, 5. So how many fives are there? 4 fives are there. So we need 3 more to make 10 4. Then only it can be converted to decimal without division. Without division. What is the procedure? Procedure is see how many maximum 5 are there, 5 or 2, whatever will be more. Here 5s are more. How many are there? 4. So we have to make 10 to make it decimal. So when there will be 4 tens, it will be decimal after 10 decimal places. After 4 decimal places, 4 tens are there. So 4 decimal places. We have already discussed in the last video. You can check once how to write. So your D is the answer. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And I like it. You are enjoying. You are ready.